Have you ever wondered how machines can understand human emotions? In this video, I'll be demonstrating my emotion detection system, an AI-based application that analyzes facial expressions and predicts human emotions with high accuracy. The system can detect emotions such as happy, angry, fear, neutral, sad, disgust, and surprise. Users can upload an image or use a live camera feed, and the system instantly analyzes the facial expression and displays the detected emotion along with confidence scores. In this example, I upload an image showing a fearful facial expression. The system detects the face and analyzes key features such as widened eyes and raised eyebrows. As you can see, the model correctly predicts the emotion as fear with a confidence level of 99.3%, which indicates a very strong and reliable prediction. Now, let's look at a happy expression. Here, the system identifies facial cues like a smiling mouth and relaxed facial muscles. The detected emotion is happy with a confidence of 63.8%. You can also see smaller probabilities for fear and surprise, showing that the system provides a realistic and probability-based analysis instead of a simple yes or no outcome. Like this, it analyzes other expressions. And you can do this by uploading images and also by enabling live camera button or tab. This emotion detection system can be used in various real-world applications such as human-computer interaction, mental health monitoring, customer feedback analysis, e-learning platform, and that's the emotion detector. It's a fun project that combines computer vision with web development.